welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to redo this shelf that I have in the room. I'm using this chalk paint that everybody's been raving about. I cleaned off the top and now I'm just painting it. That's the first coat. Next thing I'm going to do is wipe down all the drawers and make sure to clean off all the dust that has built up and stuff so I can get started on painting it. This is the first coat all over. I'm going to let it dry and then go over it a second time. You can see that it does look streaky because it is the first coat, but I think that it doesn't look bad at all. I'm really liking it. I like the matte finish. Of course, I'm going to apply the gloss. I'm about to take the handles off. I was having trouble taking them off when I was doing the first coat, but I end up taking them off before the second coat. These are the handles to the shelf. I already did primer, gold, and I'm using this one. I'm going to do a second coat just in case. There we go. Yeah. Look at, they're gold. Hey, it's not even messing up the styrofoam real bad for as much as I've sprayed on there. Next is the wax. I'm just going to pour it on there with the paintbrush. I think that's how you do it, but that's how I'm going to do it. There we go. I've already done 2 coats. I'm satisfied with it. Anyways, I'm finally finished. The wax needs to dry, as you can see. I'll put some pictures up because it's hard in the area that I'm in right now. See, the wax still needs drying. I have the fan on, that's why it sounds loud. But that's as much as I can get. I'm in a crowded place because of my room. I've got all kinds of things in the way. I love it. I just put the wax on there with the paintbrush. I see as it's drying, it's looking nice. But anyways, that was it. I'll do side-by-side pictures here at the end, guys. Can't wait to do more projects. Thanks for watching. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. God bless.